If somebody was coming to your city for just one night, what would you tell them to do? We are in St. Louis, driving through on our way to Arkansas for a friend's wedding, and we've got one night only. We stayed in the Last Hotel. It's in downtown St. Louis, and it is really stylish. Everything about it is just right. The way the rooms are decorated, we loved it. With only one night in St. Louis, and we're just passing through, I kind of wanted to do something special for Courtney. And so as I was looking what to do in St. Louis, I came across the St. Louis wheel.
Ever since the day we met, we've been a perfect fit. We're perfect.
We got lucky. The St. Louis Union Station was starting to decorate for what seemed like a Christmas opening weekend. And on a Thursday night, we pretty much had it to ourselves. It was just beautiful walking around. They've got this huge pond with these giant koi fish, and it is just perfect.
Like Sinatra on a long drive, you belong with me and I belong with you. I belong with
From there, we headed to 360. It's a rooftop bar with 360-degree views of St. Louis, and we loved, again, just getting to take a look out the window and see the city. The next morning, before we headed off for Arkansas to continue our road trip, we stopped by Sump Coffee and had a great pour-over coffee.
The mighty Mississippi.
We crossed the river on accident because we took a wrong turn. And then it was time to head to the Arch, because what else do you do in St. Louis when you haven't seen the Arch? It's freezing, but we made it to Arches National Park. St. Louis, I know you've got so much more to offer, and I wish we had more time, but I guess that just means we'll have to come back soon.